How to change the password of your email account in cpanel. So let's get started with the tutorial. First, log into your cpanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. When we log into cpanel, this is the cpanel dashboard we see. Once you're inside cpanel, scroll to the email section and click on email accounts. Now you will see a list of all the email accounts that are created in cpanel. Next, find the email account for which you want to change the password and click the Manage button next to it. In this page, under the password section, you have two options. You can click Generate to create a strong random password automatically, or you can type your own custom password for the email account. After entering the new password, scroll down and click the Update Email Settings button to save the password change. And that's it. You have successfully changed the password of your email account in cpanel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video.